5 best travel surge protectors for international trips. Travel surge protectors are important when visiting another country. We live in a world where we must carry our electronic gadgets every time we travel. When you go on international trips, you must carry a travel surge protector. You don't want your gadgets to get fried when in a hotel. A travel surge protector safeguards your gadgets from possible short circuits that might happen. A lot of people carry more than one electronic device when traveling. So how do you ensure that all your gadgets have power on each time you want to use them? You need to invest in a good surge protector that has multiple outlets for charging. Many online vendors sell fake surge protectors. Hence, you need to be careful when buying surge protection devices. You need to come up with criteria for buying that will make you get the best value for your money. However, a good surge protector doesn't have to cost you an arm and a leg. All you need to do is to have time, patience, know what you are looking for and read lots of reviews online to have an idea of the best surge protector that is the right fit for you. How to choose a travel surge protector for intentional trips. Size and weight. Bigger is not the recommended size for a travel surge protector. You need a medium one that is portable when traveling and one that will fit easily into your suitcase or backpack. Try to go as small and light as possible by getting a compact power surge protector. Number of power outlets. Power surge protectors have different numbers of outlets. Some have 2, while others have 3 outlets. Also, some come with a USB outlet. Joules. Surge protectors use amounts referred to as joules. You should make sure that before buying any travel surge protector, you check the joule rating. Whether you are buying for home, travel, or client use, you need to get a surge protector whose joules will last for a long time. Every power spike that they protect your devices from depletes the joule's lifespan. When the joule rating is exhausted, then you will have no choice other than to replace it. USB ports. Not everyone needs to use USB ports. However, if you own several electronic USB devices, you will need to get a surge protector that has USB ports. Price. Price is another factor that you should consider. You need to get a device that is within your stipulated budget. However, you need to remember that cheap is expensive. There is no point in buying a cheap item only for you to go back to get another one 2 months later. You would rather spend a few dollars more, get a good power surge protector that will serve you well. Voltage. You should get a power surge protector that can handle different types of power voltages. Get a power surge protector that can handle both 220V and 110V. Warranty. Before buying a surge protector, check its warranty. Get a surge protector that has a warranty just in case some of your devices get a power surge while being connected. Check what the product warranty covers and what it doesn't. Also, you can find ways in which you can get a warranty claim in case the surge protector fails to work. The difference between a surge protector and a power strip. The first thing you need to know is that not all power strips are surge protectors. A power strip only divides your outlet into several ports while a surge protector protects your devices from power surges. Power surges don't occur daily, but they can happen when you least expect them and destroy your electronic appliances. A surge protector is costly as compared to a power strip, but it's worth the investment. Do not assume that just because you see a power strip categorized the same with surge protectors that it is the same thing. When buying, you should look for the words surge protector, interrupter switch, or power strips. If it is not a written surge protector, then don't bother buying it as it won't offer protection. Best power surge protectors for international travel. Belkin 3 Outlet Surge Plus Mini. Just like the name of the gadget says it, this mini power surge protector comes in a mini size that can easily fit in your backpack when traveling. The gadget has 3 power outlets and USB ports. With the Belkin 3 Outlet Power Surge you don't have to worry about space. It can rotate up to 360 degrees when plugged on the wall, giving enough access when charging your electronic gadgets. Its cordless design allows you to pack light when traveling. It can also protect up to 618 joules, protecting all your devices regardless of the outlet you choose to use. Triplite 3 Outlet Power Strip. If you are a frequent flyer, then this strip light is meant for you. You would not want to be stuck at the airport with no power outlet near you. This portable surge protector is the perfect size to carry with you when going for your international trips. It has 3 power outlets, 2 on the front and 1 on the side, 2 USB ports, and an 18-inch cord so that you won't need to sit next to the power outlet. It also protects all your gadgets up to 1050 joules. If something happened to the model and destroyed your connected gadgets, there is a $25,000 which acts as equipment replacements costs. 0 electrical 36,053 power curve. The first thing that will attract you to this travel surge protector is its curvy design. It has twin outlets that rotate on the slim curvy design. This travel surge protector has a joule rating of 306. It also has a compact body and foldable direct plug-in design. It has 2 USB ports and 2 LED notification lights, green and blue. It also weighs 8 ounces, which is a good weight for people who are always traveling. Belkin Dual Outlet Travel Rockstar. This surge protector has a similar design to the Belkin 3 Outlet Surge Plus Mini. It also comes with a built-in 300 mAh battery pack. The built-in battery packs allow you to continue charging your electronic gadgets even when the surge protector is not connected to the power outlet. The battery pack is smaller when compared to other bigger batteries out there in the market. It has 2 power surge outlets and 1 USB port outlet. The USB power outlet is on the lower part of the other 2 power outlets. The joules rating of this device is 615. RAV Power Rotating Outlet Surge Protector. If you want to charge your laptop, smartwatch, headphones, or smartphone simultaneously without having to worry about short-circuiting your device, then look no further. The RAV Power Surge Protector is from a famous company that is well known for its household and automotive chargers. It has 3 USB ports and 1 AC outlet. It also has a protection of up to 700 joules. Each USB port has up to 4 amps. The gadget is also ELT registered, so you can rest easy knowing that all your devices are well protected. It is convenient and portable, and you can carry it anytime you are on the go. The RAV Power can also rotate up to 360 degrees, giving you access if you want to use the other outlets. Bottom line: there is no reason why you should not get a good travel surge protector. If you love your gadget and would not want it to end up getting short circuits, then you need to invest in a surge protector as soon as possible. The size of the travel surge you want will all depend on your taste and preferences. The most important thing is making sure that you have one each time you are traveling. You will be more at ease when you know that all your gadgets are well protected in case there is a power surge. If you do not know the kind of surge protector to get, you should talk to a professional consultant to help you out. Before buying, ensure that you check the warranties, adaptability features, and service requirements of the surge protector. Always get your surge protectors from reputable online stores or comparison shops so that you will get a good surge protector that will serve you well.